Hey guys, what's going on? Kuya Din here with another unboxing. This time around, we're gonna be opening the Samsung Galaxy A20. So, pasok mga kapatid, join me as we open this box right after this. So the Galaxy A20 came out around the same time as the Galaxy M20, which bears similar specs. However, unlike the Galaxy M20, which is only available online, the Galaxy A20 is actually being sold in physical stores. Both of them retail for around 10,990 pesos, but note that the A20 actually has a Super AMOLED display, which makes it the cheapest Samsung phone with the kind of display panel normally found in their flagship S series. This is the box that the A20 comes in. I like the colorful print and the large text that says A20, so you know exactly what you have. In this case, it's a deep blue Samsung Galaxy A20. The back tells us that we have the 32GB model and that it has a Super AMOLED display with the Infinity-V notch and dual cameras. The main sensor takes 13MP photos while the wide-angle sensor takes 5MP pictures. We also get an 8MP selfie camera and 3GB of RAM. It can take up to 2 SIM cards with 4G LTE support. Looking inside, we get a smaller box that contains a quick start guide and the warranty card. Unfortunately, the A20 doesn't come with a free jelly case. Moving deeper, we get to the actual unit. Let's inspect the rest of the box. So here we have the AC adapter. Maximum output is 9 volts at 1.67 amperes or 5 volts at 2.0 amperes. Next, we have the USB cable. We do get a USB Type-C cable, which is nice. It looks like finally we are moving away from micro USB in budget devices such as the A20. Over here we have the headset. Very standard looking white headset with a microphone, nothing too special about it. Finally, we get the pin ejector tool. So here's the SIM tray. We get 3 dedicated slots, 2 nano SIM slots and 1 micro SD expansion slot. The body of the Galaxy A20 is quite attractive. I like how it shines when it catches the light. We have the deep blue color, which I like because it's not too hot on the eyes, unlike those bright blue colored phones. It is a fingerprint magnet though. I've had this for less than 5 minutes and it's already full of smudges. Moving to the bottom, we have the 3.5mm audio jack, USB Type-C port, and the bottom fiery speakers. Samsung is one of those companies that have consistently kept the 3.5mm audio jack, and like I said, USB Type-C is very much appreciated. Over to the left, we have the volume rocker and the power button. Very standard layout. At the back, we have the dual cameras, a regular 13MP camera and a 5MP ultra-wide camera. We also get a traditional fingerprint scanner. The Galaxy A20 has the Infinity-V notch display. The screen is bright and slightly more saturated like most OLED displays. The whites seem well calibrated, which is something I'd expect from a top panel maker like Samsung. So the notch houses the front-facing camera. I'm gonna try to take some test photos here and show them to you so you have an idea what it looks like. So the Galaxy A20 runs Android 9.0 Pie out of the box with Samsung's own customization layer called One UI. It looks clean, although there seems to be a bit of bloat. We have Spotify, Netflix, Facebook, Samsung apps, and Microsoft apps pre-installed along with Google apps. Before I forget, the A20 has a 4000 mAh battery which should last us at least a day. Overall, here's my first impression of this phone. It is nice to finally be able to have a very good panel in an entry-level phone. It has solid build quality all around, and being able to take a regular photo and a wide-angle shot at any time is nice. If there's anything that I am a little on the fence about, I do wish that it came with a free gel case because the back It's such a fingerprint magnet, and I'm sure the plastic casing will scratch easily too. So there you have it, the Samsung Galaxy A20. Very interesting phone for the price. Do give it a go if you're in the market for something in the 10,000 peso price range. Otherwise, give us a shout in the comment section if there's something you'd like to see. Would you like to see a full review of this phone? Would you like to see us compare it with the Samsung Galaxy M20? We'd love to hear from you. In the meantime, hit that like button, get subscribed, and we'll see you in the next one. Paalam!